Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy and It's So Nice I Had to Pour It Twice special edition. So this time we've got a fun fuchsia pillow down, and as you know it's from Sherwin-Williams, The Colour to Go. So first of all I'm going to put down the TLP or fantastic bright gold colour, absolutely marvellous. Next it's the turn of TLP Groovy, fantastic fluorescent pink going down. Next it's the Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. Just a fantastic contrast against the TLP Rave. The TLP Groovy. And of course the Liquitex we've just put down is an opaque, and the previous two were semi-transparent. Next is the turn of our dear friend Comet. Always generous with Comet. Can't help myself with Comet. Next it's TLP Funk. Some people say it's bad to torch your colours. I say it's fine if they're TLPs. The little piggies can definitely take the heat, and they're not affected by it. So that's the Funk down. Next it's Rave. And last but not least, it's the Cool Blue from Deco Art. This is the nice opaque that we're just going to put on the top there and help the cell activator work really nicely. So we're going to use up the last of my cell activator. We're going to give the piggies another little torch. They had been sitting, but as soon as you stir them, you stir bubbles in. So can't be helped. Always remember, guys, give your cell activator a real good stir up. And here we go. While we wait for the pillow paint to come back underneath itself, I'm just going to blow out these edges a little more so they're more interesting. If you're careful, you can really just catch some of the little cells at the edge and blow them and make them bigger. Okay, so let's give her a spin. Time for the anti-clockwise spin. Wow, some fantastic cells just here, hey guys. Just going to help it over this way a little bit more. And give her one more spin and I'd say she's done. Just clean up the edges a little more. Might have used just a little too much pillow. Well, maybe not too much, just a little more than I meant to. Because we all know if you use slightly more pillow than you need, you can actually help a bloom grow larger with just slightly more pillow paint. Okay, one more spin. This spinner is really useless and I shall be replacing it very quickly. One more spin anti-clockwise. And there we have it, my friends. It's so nice, I had to pour it twice. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe and share my videos if you like what you see. You can comment on them if you like. And as always, my friends, happy pouring. So here's the close-up, my friends. Apologies for the shaky footage, but I wanted to get in real close for some of these cells. They're absolutely quite breathtaking. Very happy with this one indeed. She really came out quite well. Slowly see if I can pan out. My camera skills are not too good, so you can get the whole shot. Thank you, my friends. Happy pouring.